Hi, it's John from Trubicars, and today I want to talk about adjusting our seat properly. One of the first things you want to do is make sure that you're close enough that your feet can operate the pedals. In this car it's manual, so there's a lever down here. You might have a power adjuster on the side of your seat. My right foot can reach the firewall behind the brake pedal. My left foot is sitting on what we call a dead pedal, or if you don't have that, it would be the firewall. As far as height, I usually look about midway up the windshield, and I make sure that my eyes are at that level or a little bit higher. And then as far as the seat back, I want to adjust the seat back, and there's a little lever here. Again, you might have power ones. And I want to make sure that my shoulder blades are on the seat. That gives me some support so that on a long trip I'm not going to get a sore back. Now, as far as the steering wheel, you should be able to grab the steering wheel and have a nice little bend to your elbows. You shouldn't be reaching really far forward, otherwise you're going to start to lose a little bit of feeling in your fingers. Steering wheels are all adjustable as well. This one goes up and down, and it'll telescope in and out to whatever you need. And that's basically it. I'm John for Trubicars. Drive safe.